So, Poland, I hear you got some tasty food.
Let's eat.
Okay, first we're going to try the goblaki. Not sure I'm pronouncing that right.
What is it?
Cabbage rolls. Stuffed cabbage rolls. Rice, look at that guys, rice, mushrooms in there.
And cabbage, I think.
Cabbage, sweet corn, delicious.
And it's in a tomato.
Yeah, tomato sauce. Delicious.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's it like?
Delicate flavour, rice is perfect.
Ooh.
Again, it's a good, hearty, comforting dish, which Poland does so well, doesn't it? Just the knife just slides through.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Actually, I'll get Adam to try it.
Yep.
But I'm wondering if it's pearl barley in there and not rice.
Ah.
I'm not too sure though.
So here we go, cabbage rolls, guys. Been looking forwards to this. So you've got cabbage skin. Look at that. Oh, that looks like rice, doesn't it? I think you're right. I think that is barley. That's lovely. Oh, that's like a really hearty sort of British stew, isn't it? A little hint of parsley. I saw some green, I thought it was dill, but parsley this time, guys. That's lovely. That's really comforting food. Happy with that.
Pierogi.
So, pierogi, Polish dumpling, little parcels filled with delicious delights.
And these ones have been boiled, haven't they?
Boiled pierogi, cabbage and mushroom. Got some fried onion on top.
Lovely.
Can't wait to tuck in.
Go for it.
Love pierogi. Those onions are so sweet.
Yeah.
Cabbage and mushroom inside is just delicious.
Is it?
And the skins melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Oh, I'm going for the pierogi ruski, which isn't a Russian pierogi. It's potato and onion. And these ones have been boiled. Look at that. Fried onion on top. Here we go. The potato inside is really buttery, and then you've got the sweet onion going through that. Oh, they're so delicate and they just melt in your mouth. Pierogi ruski, guys. Have to try these when in Poland. They're a must. Especially the boiled. They do fried and baked. I like them all.
Look at this.
Look at that. What is it?
Well, we think it's called
Obverzanki.
And it is a chewy dough ring with either poppy or
Sesame seeds
on top.
And it's a cross between a bagel and a pretzel, supposedly.
Nicknamed here the Krakowian
Bagel.
So
let's try it.
Tuck it in.
Go for it.
Tuck it in.
Looks chewy.
I like that. Love those poppy seeds on top. That's really chewy. To me, it's very bagel-like.
Very chewy. Sweet, yeasty.
Yeah.
I love the poppy seeds on it though.
Isn't it? You can see where the bagel's coming in there.
So this is where you walked home from the steelworks, grabbed a few opposite Anki, stuck them around your arm, walked down the road, chewing away. Tea done. Enough said.
Moscow.
So guys, we've gone for some Moscow for breakfast. Yeah, so it's this traditional potato pancake, garlic butter, lovely and warm, cooked on a hot plate, potatoes and flour, traditional here in the Tatras. Let's go for it. It's actually moister than I thought. I thought it was going to be quite dry, but you can feel the texture of the potatoes, and with this garlic butter, guys, absolutely delicious.
Reminds me of something called a fal, which is an traditional Irish pancake.
Yeah. Really nice.
Really comforting, heartwarming from the hearth food.
Oh,
Can't beat it.
lovely. So, what have we got here?
Well, is it a poochie?
Punchy, is it?
Punchy. So it's a donut.
Polish donut.
It's already feeling squidge.
What's it filled with?
Rose jam, traditionally.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure if this one is or not, but shall I go for it?
Go for it.
Pillow soft, that's all I'm going to say. Sweet, sticky, gooey. Delicious.
So, Polish donut with icing, filled with rose jam. Oh,
How good is that?
it's the best punchy I've ever had. It's really soft, this one. It's like a little pillow, you just bite straight through it. It's not dense like the donuts you get in the UK. Look at that donut, guys. And they're under 50p each. How cheap is that, guys? Cheers.
Zapakanki.
So, when you're in Krakow, get your ass down to Plak Novi in the Jewish quarter and try some of this zapakanki, because we've heard it's the best in the country here. Get your ass to the Rotunda, zapakanki after zapakanki after zapakanki stall. Let's try this.
Wow. What's he trying to do to me, hey?
What you got there then?
So this is zapakanki, guys, which is kind of like a pizza. Half a baguette and with a variety of toppings. So I've got 4 cheese with garlic sauce.
Look at that. Go for the crunch. Wow. What's that like?
That bread
Yeah.
just melts away.
Ah.
Lovely crunch. Garlic sauce has got lots of
this.
garlic. And yeah, perfect thing after a few pints of beer.
Nice. So guys, look at the size of this. Zapakanka. Have to try this when in Poland. This is fast food to the max. And I've gone for one with Highland cheese on it, smoked. Let's try and tackle this, eh? That's lovely. Delicious. Guys, if you're in Krakow, come to the Rotunda in the Jewish quarter. You won't regret it.
Ostipek. Ostipek. Ostipek.
We have found the Holy Grail, guys. Ospek, she's covered it in cranberry, look at that. What it is a smoked sheep's cheese. Sometimes has a little bit of cow's milk in it. Really, really deep, smoky, strong, intense flavour.
Lovely it is.
It's lovely.
Over a grill, and it's all gooey in the middle, and
yeah,
it's got like a bit of
chewy and
chewy
gooey
skin on the outside.
Oh, it's to die for. If you've never tried it, you've got to get your ass to Poland just to try off
Nice dollop of cranberry.
Yeah.
Ta-ta.